Hello there. We are going to look at the new kind of trail camera with Wi-Fi and built-in battery. And the special about this camera is this: it doesn't have a screen. So in order to look at what the camera looks at, you can use your phone. Let me open this up and show you what's in here. We do have the camera name here, the PH960W trail camera that comes with an instruction manual. It describes how to use the app, because this camera is mostly like used, or it's run by the app on your phone, right? So you need to download the mobile app, and then with the mobile app you do the setup of the camera and the function, like turning on and off and download the images and all that. So let's come to this later. Here we show quick what is in the box. Here's the cover, and there's the camera in here. There it is. Look at that. And then the usual stuff that comes with the trail cameras, like the strap. It comes here with the USB-C charger cable, right? With the cable to charge it up. And then here, those are the tree mount pieces so you can mount the camera, right? This is also the usual stuff. I don't know if I have to open this here. This is pretty standard, I would guess. And more important for us to look at is maybe, here, look at this. That screws here on the plate. Plate gets screwed over the tree, and then the camera mounts on here, right? So there's regular stuff. You can use those devices if you have to put it into a stone wall. Strap, charge cable. That's important. Look at how this looks like. It has a USB-C here on one side to plug in your laptop or whatever charger you have, and this goes into the camera. And then now let's take a quick look at the camera, what it looks like. This is very small. As you know, I have big hands. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Okay, well, it is very small. Now, let me remove here the protection for the... Oh, it's hard on there. There it goes. There's protection on there. And then here on the motion detector, to be a little more careful here to get in here. And then to be very careful, do not push that in or scratch. Here on the glass is nothing on there. And that's how this looks like. Look at this. Right. Doesn't open. It's waterproof. Closed. Everything is closed. There are screws here on the side where you never have to open. And then here on the bottom, you have an on-off switch, test on-off. You have a memory card, and you have here the charge port. So charging then is going to happen here. There, plugs in here. There. And then this end goes into your charger. Now, in my case, it's too short. I hope I have a longer cable. Do I? Let's see. I think I don't have one right now. It must be a USB-C cable. Do I have one handy? Here, there I have a USB-C cable from elsewhere. Standard USB-C. plugged in, and then you see here the Bluetooth LED blinking. Okay, now let's get to the point where we can check the software on the phone, because that's all you can do in this with this camera. It has no buttons except the on and off. You need a phone app. Okay, I'm going to use my Android. First of all, we swipe to be in here on your Android. Now I want to scan the barcode here. Scan QR code. There. There it is. Come on. Scan. Find the QR code. Turn the light on. This is like good with there. It found it. There. So it found the QR code. Then I can say, click on it. Goes to the store. And there is the Trail Cam Go app. We click install, because I don't want to pay for it. I don't need the Google Play website. So I haven't had my store set up all the way. And now it's verifying. It's in here, and now I can push open. Right, you have to agree to the privacy agreement. And now we need to know a few things where we have to allow this, that the phone is allowed to connect to the camera, right? Yeah, like this. We can click add device, Wi-Fi camera. And so you have to turn the camera on. Here there is on the bottom here, this on-off button. Test and on. We can do on, all the way on. There. So the camera is on. Next. Now you see, it can see this camera. See that? Connecting to the camera. There. Now it does Bluetooth connection to the camera. It wakes up the camera. Connects the Wi-Fi to it. Yeah. Connect. So this whole setup only happens once, right? So you can name this thing front yard, backyard, or whatever. Let's call this thing backyard. Backyard trail cam. Now it's in here. It shows how many megabyte you have left on the card, the name of the camera. Battery is charged 100% because it's plugged in here, right? It's the charger is on there. It's 18 Celsius or 64 Fahrenheit, the camera temperature. So you will later see what the temperature is outside. And if you click on it, then you can see more data here, right? You can click on the camera, on the settings, here settings. And then you can use the app, basically. So I would say, in order to discuss how the app works and how you do this exactly, that would be a separate video. In this case, it only goes so far, meaning how it looks like, this camera, and how to connect it to your app. And then you could play with the app to see the details on it. It's a pretty neat camera here, and I have to hang it up outside and wait for wildlife to walk by to see how the image quality is.